Hi, I'm Tux the cow, and today I'm going to show you how to back a trailer. Most people know how to drive forward with a trailer, but few know how to drive backwards. It requires some movability. Hooking up the trailer is the first step. Let's assume you know how to do that, but let's cover the basics anyway. First, lower the jack down on the ball. Second, close the coupler so the trailer doesn't come detached, but if it does, then these handy safety chains will keep the trailer attached while you pull over to the side of the road. A quick tip: if you are driving in Utah, by law you are required to cross your safety chains so that your left chain hooks on the right side of the truck. Let's hop in the truck and I will show you a few tips to back the trailer into this same spot. When backing a trailer, remember that the trailer turns the opposite way that you turn the vehicle. For example, if I turn the wheel left, the trailer moves right. So it moves opposite than what you think. Also, small movements are best so that you can more easily control the trailer movement. A good trick to help you not get turned around would be to hold the wheel at the bottom, point your hand which way you want the trailer to move, like so. Now, there is some damage that can occur if you do this process incorrectly. One of the biggest things I can suggest to avoid damaging your property or trailer would be to follow the steps outlined above. Damage to the trailer can look like this fender, which will eventually fall off due to rust, and no one wants that. There's also some other damage that can happen, like this example of the garage. I got into too big of a hurry and wasn't watching where I was going and smacked the side of the trailer into the side of the garage, causing damage to the wood trim. Just be safe while backing up and make sure you look where you're going. You wouldn't want to hit someone or something. No one wants that, especially not Tux. That's how you end up with ground beef.